Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and today we are back with another very exciting phone. This is the Mobiistar X1 Dual. Mobiistar is a Vietnamese brand that has come to India recently with their XQ Dual, which is their latest phone. And this is the next in line X1 Dual, which comes with a very interesting feature. It comes with a 18:9 tall display. It has a dual front-facing camera and a lot to offer in a budget segment. The price and other details are provided in the description section below this video, so do check out the details in the description section. It has a 13 plus 8 megapixel front facing dual camera setup with a 120-degree wide angle lens. It has a fingerprint scanner. It also comes with the face unlock. You have 18:9 aspect ratio, 5.7 inch HD plus display, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. In this video, I'm going to unbox this phone, show you how it looks, give you a quick camera test and talk about the features, and I'll tell you my impressions. And as you can see on the front of the box, it says it has a 2,200 rupees instant cashback with Jio on 198 and 299 plan, and this is a limited time offer, so you avail it before the offer ends. Let's quickly unbox the same and find out what's inside the box. So opening the box, the first thing is the phone itself. We have this in blue color and it's pretty premium in terms of design. As you can see, it has a shiny blue colored back. It does look really premium. It has this curved back design with glass finish at the back. There's a glossy fingerprint scanner, this is dual tone LED flash, a rear camera. This is a 13 megapixel rear camera, and on the front is a 2.75D glass. This glass also curves towards the edges on the front and does look quite premium as well. There is an 18:9 aspect ratio display, and this phone does look really premium. While it boots, let me show you what else you get in the box here. So going further in the box, here you have some documentation and a soft silicon back case. This is bundled, so you do not need to go to market and buy a case for this phone. It is already included. And here you have standard set of accessories. This is the wall charger. This is a 5 volt 1 ampere charger that has been bundled. There is a SIM removal tool in the box, and apart from that there is a white colored data cable and a pair of earphones. Let me quickly take these out. And these are the earphones. These are in the ear type and they come with the button to accept or reject calls. So there is an inline microphone and a headset. So you get a good set of accessory bundled here. Let's get rid of everything and get back to the phone. And we are back after a quick setup of this phone, and as you can see, it does look really premium. First thing that impresses me the most is the display quality here. The blacks are deep black. This is an IPS panel, but the saturation level and the contrast level are really impressive. This is a 5.7 inch HD plus display, 1440 by 720. So it's an 18:9 aspect ratio. It does look really beautiful and the colors really pop. It feels quite slim to hold. Besides having a large display, the phone is quite compact. In terms of physical appearance and button placement, you have the power wake up key on the right, volume rocker on top. On top there is 3.5mm audio port, and on this side is the SIM card tray, and on the bottom you get the charging port, microphone and the speaker grill. On the rear is a 13 megapixel camera, dual LED flash and a fingerprint scanner, and on the front you get a 5.7 inch display. There are no bezel buttons here. The bezels are quite slim, and on top you get earpiece, LED flash, a 13 and 8 megapixel front facing camera, so you have a dual camera setup at the front. The fingerprint scanner here is quite large and it is also quite effective. There is also face unlock, so if I look at the phone, it unlocks just like that. It's quite easy. I just have to turn it towards my face and it unlocks in no time. So the features here you are getting at this price point of under 11,000 rupees are really premium. This phone is available only offline. It's available at stores near you, so go ahead and check it out and you can pick it up. It's one of the smoothest and smartest looking phones in the price segment. Your style quotient would be like really high with this phone. Let's check out the cameras, which is the USP of this phone apart from other features. So I'll first check the front facing camera, and as you can see here, this is the normal mode, and there is a wide mode. So if you are taking selfies with groups or with friends, just hit here and the frame becomes really wide. You can see the camera here, it's a really wide angle lens, and you can see a lot of detailing in the background. Let me show you the results. So if you look closely, this is a normal shot and it has a lot of clarity and detail, and it has got 7 levels of face beauty modes in the beauty settings, and this is the wide mode. Just compare these two. This one has a lot more information, a lot more frame area per se. So if you are taking group selfies with friends to put on Instagram and social media, this is one of the best camera setup that you get on the front facing camera. And this sort of camera setup is available only in very expensive phones which come with wide angle front facing lens. So this is actually a steal for this price. And if you go to the face beauty mode, here you can see the slider from 1 to 7. So you can select the face beauty, so you can set it according to the beauty level that you want or you like. There is also a night mode, and you have a video mode on the front. There is also an LED flash, as you can see on top. This is a soft flash, so it would not be very bright or artificial. It will look natural and nice. There is also a timer that you can set: 0 seconds, 3 seconds, 10 seconds. So there is a timer mode as well. Talking of the rear facing camera, there is a 13 megapixel shooter at the rear, and let me take a few shots for you and show you how it works. This also has a face beauty mode, so if you are taking pictures of people, you can also select from 7 beauty levels and it will do its magic on the faces. So right now I have this subject here. This is a shot that I have taken with the rear facing camera. As you can see, the clarity is quite good here. The detailing in the shot is very sharp. Even on zooming in, you can see the details on the objects, very crisp and very sharp, very clear. And the focusing is very fast. It has face detection autofocus, and the rear is slightly, the backdrop or the background is slightly blurred out, which is good. It is producing good natural bokeh effect. You can see that green object is nicely blurred out, whereas this front object is nicely in focus. So it is doing a great job when it comes to camera. In terms of specs, you get 3 gigs of RAM here, 32 GB ROM. The phone comes with a beautiful display. It comes with large battery capacity and a quad core processor, so it gives you good performance as well as battery life as well. Detailed specifications are mentioned at the link provided in the description section, so do check out the official link in the description below. We find this phone to be really nicely designed. It's very good in terms of styling and feel in hand. It also gives you good display quality and amazing camera quality. The front facing camera here especially is very impressive with this dual camera with wide angle lens setup. So it is a recommended phone if you are looking to buy a phone offline. It is available at stores near you under 11,000 rupees price segment, and it does look really premium and gives you good camera quality. This is all we have in this quick video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for more such videos, stay subscribed. Don't forget to press the bell icon. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.